In this video, I'll show you how to read the results of your campaign. This particular campaign is a follow-up campaign. Here you see the trend from the first campaign and the second campaign. You see the team health score, the improvement from the last campaign, and the response rate. Here you see the insights. This was a pulse check survey. The different dimensions are listed here, and you can see the perception of the team compared to the perception of the team leader. Here you have your action roadmap. Based on the results of the survey, you will receive suggested actions that you can do to address the issues. Here you can see the details of the survey, and using the pencil icon, you can go in and edit. You have the option here to change the title if you'd like to change it. Here's a description of the action. You can assign it to someone else depending on how many people you have given access to. Here you can change the status of the action to in progress. You can complete it, skip it, or cancel it. Within this section, you can make notes on the progress of these actions. Then you can save and close. You also have the option to add an action of your own. If you are working with a coach or a consultant, they can add actions here for you. You can add an action to assign to someone else in your team if that's what's required. Here you see the AI summary, which is taking the data from the surveys and the actions and giving you a summary of what the health score is, what the perception gaps are, what the progress is of the actions, and what the key recommendations would be for this campaign.